Hello friends, welcome to our channel where we unveil the latest trend in jewelry fashion. In this video, we are excited to showcase the most stunning openable Meenakari Pearl Bangle designs that are taking the jewelry world by storm. These designs effortlessly blend traditional artistry with contemporary style, making them the perfect accessory for any occasion. These beautiful Meenakari pearl bangles highlighting their intricate craftsmanship, vibrant enamel work, and the timeless allure of lustrous pearls. Whether you are a bride to be looking for a perfect wedding bangle or perfect enthusiast seeking to elevate your everyday style, these bangles offer a world of possibilities. So join us on this journey as we explore the beauty and versatility of openable Meenakari pearl bangle designs. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to stay updated on the latest trends in the world of jewelry. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you never miss a video that helps you to shine with elegance and sophistication. I hope you like this beautiful collection. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.